Dark whiskey is not better than light whiskey, but dark whiskey is telling a story. It will explain how long a product has been in the barrel. The longer it's been in the barrel, the darker the color will result. Something that's been in a barrel for 1 year versus something that's been in a barrel for 30 years, you're going to be able to tell just by looking at it what to expect flavor-wise. However, the companies will add some coloring to the product just for consistency's sake, to have Johnny Walker Black be the same color as it is when you buy a bottle in Japan versus where you buy a bottle in the United States. They want that consistency to remain. And sometimes when they're making a blend, they'll use older whiskeys and younger whiskeys, which will give a different color. And so it's not the whole story, but it's part of the story. You still want to look for other clues. Ultimately, at the end of the day, what you're tasting is going to give you a much better impression versus what the color of the whiskey is.